Hey guys. Hello everyone. Hi. Say hello to the 5 Turks who returneth. Oh no, watch out for the car. Come on you guys. Oh, there's a Tesla. Go figure. Hi guys. What a day, huh? We just had lightning and thunder here in Asheville on this Friday, October 20th, 2023, as of recording this. Let's have a look at our fine young Turks, shall we? Shall you? Hey guys, say hello to the world. And say hello to the stabilizer that somehow got turned off on my phone. And boy, I had to dig to find that. I don't know how it happened. Anyway, hi, yeah, look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful. Yeah, hi, Mr. Man. Yeah, gorgeous you are. Yeah, shake a tail feather, baby. Yeah, yeah, there we go. Was it a nice shower? Nice shower for you guys? Yeah, hi. Look out for the car. Stay put. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You guys. Oh, you're pecking the car. I heard it. Easy there, mister. You guys are so cute. Beautiful. Yeah, you're beautiful. I see you guys. Look at you. It's okay. It's okay. Did it? It's okay. What a gorgeous, crazy weather day. It's about 55 degrees out and it's about 1:15. We just had some thunder showers here. Woohoo! Woohoo, guys! Yeah. Stay put. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, look at you guys all showing off over there. Woohoo! It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Stay off that road. Yeah. Good birds. Good birds. Yeah, you're so good. You're so good. You stop that over there. There. Yeah, stop that. Thank you. Okay, well, we hope you're having a great day out there. We sure do. Watch out for the car. Here it comes. Doot doot. He saw ya. Oh, you guys are beautiful. Okay, well, have a great afternoon, everyone. One love. And namaste. All right. Truth Co-op. Over and out.